Hello my friend, after we pair this door sensor to room 1 in Henry bathroom from door, now we go on to pair the PIR sensor to zone 2. Okay, now how to do that? Goes to zone management, after let's name it to Mandy bedroom. Sorry. Bedroom. Now we save it. Now we press. Okay, you can see right here. Add sensor. How to add sensor? Just click right here and turn around to trigger. Okay. Now click trigger. Come on, trigger. Okay, done. Already right here. Now we named it. Change the name. We would like to top angle, something like this. Okay, done. This one already say to man this bedroom top angle right here. Now it goes to armlet. Now trigger, already trigger. Armlet again. Sorry. Armlet. Trigger. Okay. Now we can see the history. This arm first. We can see the history. Mandy bathroom top angle. Okay, this one already work with the panel also like this way. Okay, this is how to pair sensor, PIR sensor.